Hello there, Mr. Sutton here with the IM375 Extra Practice #1 solutions on triangle area. To find the area of this triangle, we have to first pick the right formula. Since I've got two sides and the angle between them, I'm going with the half-sine formula, 1/2 AB sine C. So we've got 1/2 times 15.2 times 16.1 times the sine of 125, which we'll now plug into the calculator. So plugging all that in and pressing enter, we get 100.2. For this problem, to find the area of a triangle where we have three sides given, we're going to use Heron's formula. We'll start by finding S, the semi-perimeter. That's going to be 1/2 A plus B plus C. And then that's going to be 1/2, we'll do 12.3 plus 18.2 plus 17.1. And let's do that on the calculator. So crunching those numbers, it looks like our S value is going to be 23.8. So now using my K formula for the square root with the semi-perimeter in it, here's all of that stuff. We've got the square root of our semi-perimeter, 23.8, and then we have to subtract the sides from that 3 times. So we've got 23.8 minus 12.3 minus 18.2 and 23.8 minus 17.1. Let's plug all that in the calculator now. So there we are. This is definitely one where I plug it all in and let the calculator work its magic. Pressing enter on all that, we get 101.3. To find this triangle's area, since I have two sides and the angle between them, let me use the half-sine formula, 1/2 AB sine C. So that's 1/2 times 15.3 times 48 times the sine of the angle between them, sine of 58. And now it's time for the calculator. So here we go. I've entered it all in my calculator. Pressing enter, we've got 311.4. For this problem, trying to find the area of this triangle, they've given me two sides and the angle between them. So definitely going to use the half-sine formula for this one. That's 1/2 AB sine C. So we have 1/2 times 27 times 23 times the sine of 127, which I'll now put in the calculator. So there we go. Putting that in the calculator, crunching those numbers, we get 247.97. So that's actually going to round up to 248.0. To find the area of this triangle, since I have all three sides, I have to use Heron's formula. So we'll find the semi-perimeter first, 1/2 A plus B plus C. That's my S value. So that's going to be 1/2 of 37 plus 35 plus 16, all in one big parentheses. Let me use the calculator for that. So plugging all that in, we have an S value of 44, nice whole number. So now we have to do the K formula with the square root and the semi-perimeter. So we have the square root of 44, and then I'll do my 44 minus all three sides now. 44 minus 37, 44 minus 35, times 44 minus 16, and definitely use the calculator for the rest of that. So entering that off camera and just doing it all at once here and pressing enter, we get 278.6. For this problem, they've given us all three sides and they want the area, so we'll use Heron's formula. We'll start with our semi-perimeter S, which is 1/2 of A plus B plus C. So that's 1/2 of 26 plus 32 plus 41, which I'll do on the calculator. So plugging those in, we get an S value of 49.5. And now let me do the K formula, square root of S and S minus A and all the rest of that. So we have the square root of 49.5, the S value. And now we have the S value minus all three sides. So 49.5 minus 26, 49.5 minus 32, and also subtract 41. Let's plug all that into the calculator. So square rooting that whole big mess on the calculator, we end up with about 415.97. So if we round that to the nearest tenth, that's 416.0.